Think civilian gear can't be tactical? Think again. Today, we're showcasing 20 military-inspired gadgets that are rugged, reliable, and built for action, but totally legal for everyday carry. From tactical multi-tools and survival gear to combat-grade flashlights and field-ready tech, this is the kind of gear that turns civilians into warriors. Whether you're prepping for the worst, training like the best, or just love badass gear, you're about to see tools made for real-world action. Strap in, let's gear up. Number 1. Atomic Bear Tactical Pen. This isn't just a pen, it's a covert tool designed for real-world survival. The Atomic Bear Tactical Pen is crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, making it lightweight but strong enough to break glass or defend yourself in an emergency. It writes like a dream with refillable cartridges, but its true power lies in the glass breaker tip and self-defense potential. Whether you're commuting, camping, or keeping it clipped to your gear, this pen is built for more than signatures. It's built for survival. Number 2. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Water is life. And in the field, clean water can be hard to find. That's where the LifeStraw comes in. This ultra-lightweight filtration device removes 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria and 99.9% of parasites without any chemicals, batteries, or pumping. You can literally stick it into a stream and sip directly. It's trusted by military units, hikers, and disaster relief teams for a reason. It works in seconds, fits in your pocket, and could save your life when the tap runs dry. Number 3. WUBEN C3 Tactical Flashlight. Compact but blindingly bright, the WUBEN C3 is a tactical flashlight made for night missions and emergency situations. Pushing out up to 1,200 lumens, it can light up a football field or disorient a threat. Crafted from aircraft aluminum and rated IP68 waterproof, it's built for rough terrain, wet conditions, and serious use. With 5 light modes, a memory function, USB-C charging, and a smart battery level indicator, this is a soldier's light made civilian-friendly. Number 4. SOG POWERACCESS Assist Multi-Tool. Imagine carrying a full toolkit in your pocket. The SOG POWERACCESS Assist gives you 21 military-grade tools in one durable tactical frame. Spring-loaded pliers, partially serrated blade, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, file, bottle opener, and more, each one locking securely in place for serious jobs. The black oxide finish resists corrosion and gives it that stealth, special ops feel. Built for one-handed use, it's the multi-tool you want when gear failure isn't an option. Number 5. Titan SURVIVOCORD Paracord. This is more than rope, it's survival technology disguised as cordage. Titan's patented SURVIVOCORD starts with military spec 550 paracord, then adds in a fishing line, waxed fire starter, and copper wire, all hidden inside. Whether you're building shelter, repairing gear, catching food, or starting a fire in the rain, this paracord has your back. Rated to hold up to 620 pounds and tested by actual veterans, it's a must for bug-out bags and field kits alike. Number 6. K-Tor Pocket Socket Hand Crank Generator. Out in the wild, dead batteries can be deadly. The Pocket Socket is a rugged, human-powered generator that lets you crank your way to electricity, anytime, anywhere. Plug in your phone, flashlight, or GPS and start turning the handle. It produces a real 120-volt output, like a wall socket, but needs no sunlight or fuel. Used by preppers, emergency workers, and off-grid explorers, it's one of the few gadgets that literally generates its own lifeline. Number 7. GERBER STRONGARM Fixed Blade Knife. This is the knife built for combat, survival, and total reliability. The GERBER STRONGARM features a full-tang 420HC steel blade with a ceramic coating for corrosion resistance and reduced visibility. The diamond texture rubber grip gives you total control, even when wet, and the striking pommel can break glass or ice in an emergency. It includes a multi-mount sheath system that attaches to MOLLE, belt, or drop leg setups. Trusted by military personnel, and now, ready for your gear bag. Number 8. ONETIGIRIS Tactical MOLLE Admin Pouch. If your gear isn't accessible, it's useless, and this pouch keeps your essentials mission-ready. Built from water-resistant 1000D nylon, the ONETIGIRIS Admin Pouch is perfect for holding maps, pens, tools, chargers, or first aid supplies. It attaches securely to any MOLLE setup, backpack, vest, or belt, and includes internal elastic straps and mesh pockets to keep everything locked in and organized. It's lightweight, rugged, and field-proven. Number 9. BUSHNEL EQINOX Z2 Night Vision Monocular. See in total darkness, just like the pros. The BUSHNEL EQINOX Z2 delivers crystal-clear night vision in full blackout conditions using infrared technology. It allows up to 6 times magnification, HD video recording, and even live streaming to your phone. Spot wildlife, patrol property, or scout your surroundings, even when visibility is 0. It's rugged, water-resistant, and designed for real field use. Number 10. Tactical FERRO Rod Fire Starter with whistle and compass. When matches fail, this spark gets the job done. This 3-in-1 tactical fire starter includes a massive FERRO cerium rod, a 120 decibel emergency whistle, and a built-in compass, all wrapped in paracord for grip and carry. The rod throws 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit sparks that light wet wood, dry grass, or cotton in any weather. If you're caught in a storm, stranded overnight, or just lighting a campfire, this tool earns its spot on your belt. Number 11. VSSL First Aid Waterproof Canister Kit. When things go south, this sleek aluminum tube could be a lifesaver. The VSSL First Aid Kit is a military-style waterproof canister packed with over 40 medical supplies, from antiseptic wipes and bandages to tweezers, gauze, and medical tape. It's impact-resistant, crush-proof, and has a built-in LED flashlight and compass at each end, perfect for tactical packs, glove compartments, or bug-out bags. This kit is compact, organized, and built for serious situations. Number 12. LEATHERMAN Signal Survival Multi-Tool. This isn't just a multi-tool, it's your personal field survival kit in one hand. The LEATHERMAN Signal includes 19 integrated tools like pliers, saw, hammer, emergency whistle, fire-starting ferro rod, and a combo blade. Built for the outdoors, its tough construction and one-handed access make it ideal for military, survivalists, or serious adventurers. It folds down tight, clips to your pack, and delivers full-function reliability in the wild. Number 13. SHEMAGH Tactical Scarf. It may look like a scarf, but this iconic piece of tactical gear is used by soldiers worldwide. The SHEMAGH protects against sun, sand, wind, and cold. Whether you're trekking through the desert or deep into winter terrain, wear it as a face shield, bandage wrap, tourniquet, sling, or even a makeshift pouch. Lightweight, breathable, and battlefield tested, it's a must for every serious loadout. Number 14. 5.11 Tactical Rush 24. Backpack designed for special operations. This backpack is a beast. The 5.11 Rush 24 is made with water-repellent 1050D nylon and built for maximum loadout flexibility. It features 37 liters of space, MOLLE webbing, hydration pocket, dual zippers, and a fleece-lined eyewear compartment. Whether you're heading into the backcountry or preparing for an emergency, this pack keeps your gear accessible, secure, and organized under extreme conditions. Number 15. UCO Stormproof Match Kit. When the weather turns hostile, these matches still strike. The UCO Stormproof Match Kit includes 25 waterproof, windproof matches that burn for up to 15 seconds, even after being submerged in water. The rugged case floats, includes a striker, and has room for extra matches or tinder. For rainy nights, snowy treks, or wild storms, this fire-starting tool is what soldiers and survivalists trust to get a flame going. Number 16. SABRE Tactical Pepper Gel with Belt Holster. Self-defense meets tactical readiness with SABRE's military-grade pepper gel. Unlike traditional sprays, this gel reduces wind blowback, sticks to the attacker, and delivers 18-foot reach. It's trusted by police and military, equipped with a flip-top safety, and holsters securely to your belt or MOLLE vest. If personal protection matters, this is a silent but powerful first response tool. Number 17. TACTICON Armament Battle Torch 2.0. Made by veterans, for real-world combat readiness, the Battle Torch 2.0 is a weapon-mountable flashlight that delivers up to 1,200 lumens of shockproof brightness. Compatible with most Picatinny rails, it includes a pressure switch and strobe mode for tactical engagement. Whether on a rifle or used standalone, this torch is built to perform under recoil, rain, or mud. Number 18. MIRA Safety Tactical Gas Mask CM6M. This isn't cosplay. It's serious protection. The CM6M from MIRA Safety is a full-face, military-grade gas mask made for chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear threats. With a panoramic anti-fog visor, dual filter ports, and voice diaphragm, it's ready for tactical, prepper, or industrial use. Used by professionals worldwide, and completely civilian legal. Number 19. Write in the Rain, all-weather notepad. In the field, notes don't stop for rain. This waterproof notepad lets you write in downpours, snowstorms, or mud. It pairs perfectly with any pencil or waterproof pen and fits right into your pocket. Whether you're taking coordinates, planning missions, or sketching survival layouts, this notepad won't let the weather erase your work. Number 20. Condor Tactical Utility Leg Rig. Sometimes pockets aren't enough. This adjustable leg rig straps to your thigh and offers a quick access platform for tactical pouches, tools, or magazines. It includes MOLLE loops for customization and a drop leg strap for stability while running, crouching, or climbing. Ideal for range training, airsoft, or real-world tactical operations. That's it, soldier. 20 battle-tested gadgets you can actually own. Whether you're building a bug-out bag, upgrading your EDC, or just love gear with grit, these tools are more than cool. They're mission-ready. Which one would you carry into the wild? Let us know in the comments. Like the video, subscribe for more gear drops, and hit the bell, because we've got plenty more tactical tech coming your way. Until next time, stay sharp, stay prepared, and stay dangerous.